Hello guys, welcome back to my channel NexTutorial, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to hard reset and factory reset your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 or Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Today I'm gonna be using a Galaxy Note 10 Plus. It's a very easy step on how to reset. What you'll need to do, you wanna press the volume up key and the power key at the same time. Keep pressing until you get to the recovery screen. So that will take about 1 to 5 seconds. As soon as you get to the screen, release all buttons. Then you want to use the volume down key to navigate. So we're going to be scrolling down all the way to where it says wipe data factory reset. Then we're going to press the power key. The phone will format delete everything on the device and it's going to automatically restart. This is it guys. This concludes our tutorial for today. If you found my video helpful to you, make sure to hit the like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.